everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a great way to use up some of those leftover mashed potatoes. It seems like anytime I make mashed potatoes, I make so many of them, and I have leftovers, and I've made potato cakes in the past. That's what we're making today, in case you didn't know, but we're making potato cakes. These are absolutely amazing. I don't even know what to say about them. They are so good. We're going to make a loaded potato cake. I've got some bacon that I fried over here, nice and brown and crispy. We're going to add that to them. We're going to add some cheese, sharp cheddar cheese. You could use any type of cheese you wanted to, whatever desire of flavor that you're going for. You could use Monterey Jack, you could use Colby Jack, you could use, I don't care what you use. You could put anything you want to use in them. It's up to you. It's your kitchen. And we're also going to use some green onions. I've got some cut up here to go inside, and then we're going to use some just to dance around the top of it to make it look absolutely amazing. And we're also going to use a little bit of garlic. What else have I got going on here? We're going to top them with some sour cream. And we also need some flour. We're going to use some flour. So the first thing we're going to do here is, this is the pan that I fried my bacon in, and I poured all the grease off but just a little bit. What we're going to do is we're going to take that little bit of garlic, it's just one clove of garlic, and I'm going to pop it in there. And I'm just going to cook it just until, you know, we get some of the rawness out of it. Which is just really going to take I don't know, a couple minutes. All right, once you have your garlic cooked, see it's right there in the potatoes here. This is about 2 cups of mashed potatoes that I have left over. What you're going to do is, and these are cold, so that's going to work out perfect. We're going to use an egg. I forgot to tell you, we're going to use an egg. We're just going to crack our egg and put it right in there. Simple and easy. We're going to use some flour. This is going to work as a binder. Couple big heaping tablespoons of flour. Just going to kind of incorporate that in there because I want to make sure that I have the right consistency to, you know, kind of form a ball. I might have to use just a little bit more. We're also going to add some black pepper. Lots of black pepper. We're going to add a little bit of salt. Y'all know I'm extra. I'm going to add a little bit of onion powder to it as well. Whatever to your liking. There's no measurements here. We're going to add some green onion. If you want to add white onion, you can go right ahead. But I think it just makes it so much prettier. And we're going to add some cheese. Now, like I said, you could add any type of cheese that you'd like to add. But today I'm adding sharp cheddar because I have several packets that I just need to get rid of. And here comes my dogs. Y'all know when I open up packs of cheese, because I always toss them some in the floor. There you go, babies. You gotta treat your dogs. You gotta treat your dogs good. You can add as much or as little cheese as you want. I'm going to add a little bit more just because, you know. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I think that's it. And we're just going to mix this around. Make sure you incorporate everything really well. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot the bacon. And we're going to take a little bit of bacon, and I'm just going to crumble it right up in there. As big or as little as you want. Like I always say, it's up to you. It's your kitchen. You do you. Oh, it smells so good already. Everything smells so good. Now, let's combine this. I've drained the remaining bacon grease from the pan there. I've left just a little tiny amount because I'm going to fry my potato cakes right inside there. If you are a little subconscious about using the bacon fat in here, that's perfectly fine. You can wash your pan and you can add any type of oil that you like, you know, if it makes you feel A little bit better about this recipe. You, like I said, you do you. I'm just going to take a little dollop of it there. Just kind of round it out some. And then I'm going to place it right in the pan. And we can kind of mash it down once we get it in there. This is on about medium, slightly under medium. You kind of want to cook them low and slow because you don't want them to get too brown on the outside. So I'm going to keep my eye on these, and we're going to flip them when they start getting nice and golden brown. And you know, I'll show you. I'll show you. We're going to go ahead and flip these over. I want you to look at this. This is one of the things that I got from my mom's house after she passed away. I don't know where the handle part of it is at. I don't care. I have been using this thing just with everything. I just love it. So we're gonna flip these over. Oh gosh, look at that. Can you see that? Look at that. Beautiful. Let's get some of a little bit of that drippings over on that side. Yep, I'm licking my fingers. See what I mean? They're turning nice and brown. Uh-oh, I'm going to have to chase that one around the pan. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, it smells so good up in here. So good. Now we're going to let them get it nice and brown on this side as well. Go in there. Go in there and look at those. Look at that. Looks amazing. I'm going to get the other ones put in. We're going to put these on a paper towel lined plate just to drain any excess fat off of them. And then I'm going to finish cooking these up, and then we're going to get to enjoy them. Just finishing up, getting the last ones out of the pan. And I just put, like I said, put them on a paper towel lined plate just to get any excess grease off of them. Now I'm going to plate them up on a nice pretty plate, and then we're going to be ready to eat. Look at that. All plated up and ready to dig in. Let me show you something. Now what we're going to do with these is we're going to top them with some green onions. Look at that, look at that. And a little bit of crumbled bacon. I'm going to save just a little bit of bacon for mine. There we go. And I just happen to have the sour cream right beside me. Look at that. A little bacon. Or a lot of bacon, however you like it. And a couple little green onions. I didn't save me too many of those. So ready to dig in. Look at that. Can you see it? I'm ready to eat. Let's give it a taste. Man. Let me tell you something. Just as soon as that potato hits your tongue, it's all over. I ain't even playing. This is a bigger bite. Man. The bacon. The onion. The cheese. The sour cream. It's all just heavenly. Absolutely heavenly. You know I love you guys so very much. You know I do. I appreciate you. Make sure you give this a try soon. You won't be sorry. I hope you like this recipe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Take care.